I hear doors slamming, but I don't see nobody doing anything. It's not that truck, and it's not that car. And I don't... Wait a minute. Is it someone over there? Oh, now I know the mystery. It's the mailman. Cool. I was wondering, I kept hearing doors slamming, but I couldn't see who it was. Ah, mystery solved. I think it is. Cleared that up.